Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Ashlee and I'm super excited that you stopped by today. Today's video is going to be my fall favorites. I haven't done a favorites video in a couple of months, and you guys always let me know that you enjoy when I share them, and so I wanted to make sure I got one up. I am going to be sticking with my usual format that I have been using where I use categories. Prior to me giving myself categories, I felt like I just always had so many things to share. So the categories are using, shopping, reading, wearing, watching, and homeschooling. Things that I have been loving this fall. I will definitely do another one of these favorites videos for the winter season, but I do have some good things that I'm excited to share with you guys today for fall. So we are going to start with the using category, and I don't have it to show you, but I will have a link to it down in my description box. But I finally invested in a home dip powder nail kit. Now, I was skeptical because when I go and get my nails done, if I get dip powder put on my nails, it will last 4 or 5 weeks. And so I was like, well, you know, I'm not that good at nails. Confession. I'm not good at painting nails. I'm really good at my right hand, really bad at my left hand. I cannot ever get it to look as good. I mean, I've tried. But you know, there's just something to be said about professionals doing things. However, going and getting a dip powder manicure runs me about $50 every time. And quite honestly, I just don't really have the time to go as regularly as I would like to. Ironically, as I'm filming this video, I don't have my nails done, but that is because I took it off yesterday with the intention of putting on a fresh color to show you guys, and then mom life. The day got away from me and I didn't get it done. But a lot of you have been commenting on Instagram, what is your nail? What's on your nails? What are you doing? And it has been that little kit. So the kit that I got off of Amazon, I believe it was around $30. It came with everything that I needed: base coat, activator, top coat, and all of the powders that you actually dip your nail into. And there were maybe 4 or 5 colors. So that's been really awesome. Now, does it last 4 to 5 weeks? No, but it does last a lot longer than just normal nail polish. And on my daughters asked me, of course, to do their nails because they know when I get the dip powder done on my nails, they like to feel it and they can tell that it's like hard a little bit. And I'm not paying $50 for my kids to get their nails done. So they were super excited when I got the dip powder set to be able to do it at home, and I did both of their nails. Now, they obviously are not washing dishes and, you know, doing as many things with water and soap and cleaners and things like that as I do. So their nails lasted about 2 weeks, and that was with going swimming in the swimming pool. Mine will last a solid 7 to 10 days, which I'm very pleased with. And then you just, you know, you can either file it off or soak it off with some acetone or however you want to do it. But I've really been enjoying using the dip powder nail kit. I feel like I told myself it's $30, so if I just do it once, it'll say, you know, I've already made my money back on it. So it's just nice to have. The set that I got does have a really pretty grayish blue color that's really good for fall. It has black, and it has like a soft, like sparkle kind of color that I like as well. So I would say it's a success. I've done my own nails 3 times now, and I feel like every time I've gotten better at it. So there is a little bit of a learning curve, but if you want to save money or just have the convenience of being able to do your nails at home, something like, I just don't see the point in painting my nails with normal nail polish if literally 2 days later it's all coming off anyway. It's not the amount of it's the amount of time that it takes me to paint my nails that it doesn't feel worth it. So anyways, I like the dip powder set, and I of course will link everything down below. For shopping, I want to mention to you guys, and I'm probably the last person to order from them, but just in case you haven't, I want to mention Antique Candle Company. So they are a company in Lafayette, Indiana. They are you know, it's a small business. I mean, they're very successful, but it's a small business to support. I love just the look and the simplicity. They are soy candles. I got 2 pumpkin spice ones. I've already burned through almost the first one in a matter of weeks, and I am really holding out because I'm like, this guy needs to last for October, and then in November I'm going to order holiday scents from them. I would rather just personally, I mean, it smells so good, and they hand pour them. Go give them a follow on social media. I had seen a few people do it, and to be quite honest, the price point kind of detoured me, but I will say it is worth it. They smell amazing without giving like too much fragrance, and I know that the majority of the world has moved on to essential oils, but I just love my candles, and I always want you know, a good smelling candle. It's just what I like. And so anyway, I really, really, really like their candles. They have so many cute things, and I love supporting a smaller business that employs people in their local area. I just would rather give my money there, even if it means I'm spending $20 more. So anyways, Antique Candle Company is my shopping favorite for the fall. Now, I always have notes because, you know, I can't remember anything. For reading, I gave away 2 copies of this on Instagram when it first came out, but you guys, I have to tell you, you have to read this book. Even if you're not a homeschooler, read this book. It is A Waking Wonder by Sally Clarkson, and it's opening your child's heart to the beauty of learning. My goodness, I felt like I could highlight every single thing in this book. There is no one, literally no one, no other female, I'll say, that encourages me more in my life as a Christian, as a mother, and as a homeschooler as Sally Clarkson. I feel very, very drawn to her soft maternal spirit, and I know that that's because that's something that I've always lacked in my life. Not to get super deep in a favorites video, but she really is that mom mentor that I always wanted and still to this day need. So Sally Clarkson is amazing, and this book is incredible, and you should definitely read it. That is my favorite for reading. Now, typically I have a favorite for watching after reading, but I canceled Netflix. I'm sure you know why. And quite honestly, it was something that I needed to cancel because we weren't using it. We just don't watch much TV. And when my kids do want to watch TV, we usually watch something on Disney+. They have so many amazing National Geographic documentaries on there. And even though I know someone's gonna say it, Disney is a part of that too. There's not MA content on Disney+. Okay, so mature audiences only. There's none of that on Disney+. So regardless of how you feel about Disney+, the nature documentaries and my kids enjoy like the classic Disney stuff. So anyway, I haven't been watching anything. The only thing I've really been doing when I want to watch something is watching other people's YouTube videos, and I would rather do that anyway because then I'm supporting that mom and that family and that channel. So that's all I've been watching. So I don't really have anything to share with you there other than we did watch the new Mulan, and I enjoyed it personally. Mulan is a Disney movie that I really enjoyed as a kid, and I thought that they did a pretty good job. I've seen critics say that it wasn't like Disney-like because they didn't have any of the singing or the typical stuff, and I'll give them that, but I really did enjoy my kids at the beginning of the movie. They were seeing like the Silk Road and all the different things that we've learned about for ancient China, and so they included some history and some different things like that. And I did feel like they made they did a good job of making Mulan be a strong, empowered female willing to do difficult things that no one thought she could do for saving of her family, without making it super over the top. Like, there's just a fine line there, and I felt like they towed the line well. So I'll say we enjoyed Mulan for watching, and that is on Disney Plus. We watched that as a family, and we all enjoyed it. For wearing, I have 2 things to show you guys. Now, something to know about me is I am not a shoe girl. You know, there's some women that just love buying shoes. That is so not me. I do not like, I mean, I like shoes, don't get me wrong, but I don't have 25 pairs of shoes. I usually will buy something I need and I'll wear it until it's pretty worn out, and then I'll replace it. But I do have really 2 cute pairs of shoes that I do feel are very, very stylish and on trend for this year. Now, the first pair are these mules from Old Navy. They're obviously like a faux suede tan, and they slip on. I sized up. I got a 9 in these, and I normally wear an 8, and I would recommend that you do so. These were really on trend last year, and I stayed away from them, and then I saw these paired with a dress that I also ordered from Old Navy to wear to a very special baby shower. I'm going to be an auntie. And so I wanted to wear these with that. And I feel like I'm going to wear these a lot. They're very, very cute. It's a nice halfway point between like a ballet flat and a boot. So I feel like these are really cute, and I did get them on Old Navy, and I will try to link them for you. The next pair of shoes I have to show you guys, I am obsessed with. These are Keds. How many of you guys had plain white Keds growing up? Let me know down in the comments. Anyways, these are Dream Foam on the inside. They are so comfy, and they are leopard print. Now, leopard is a neutral, so I know I'm going to get a ton of wear out of these. But the real reason I was drawn to these is because I really like wearing like skinny jeans and then wearing like a ballet flat, you know, like those ballet flats. But for whatever reason, no matter what brand, how expensive, wearing those ballet flats gives me blisters. So I felt like these were a halfway point between a ballet flat, because sometimes if you have on like let's just say like a cute sweater and some skinny jeans, you don't want to wear, you know, a Nike tennis shoe. And maybe I don't want to wear a boot. So I thought that these were a good halfway point. I also got these because they will look really cute with leggings of all types and a simple graphic shirt and a cardigan. I just know that these are gonna be very worn out by the end of fall. And I got them off of Amazon, so I'll have them linked down below for you guys. I really like them, so super cute there. Now, the last little thing that I do have to show you is for homeschooling, and it is another book. It is the Sing a Song of Seasons. It is a nature poem for each day for the year. This is a hardcover book, and there are literally poems in here for an entire year. The illustrations are beautiful, and I wish I would have bought this quite a long time ago, to be honest. It was in my cart forever, and I was like, oh, a $25 book. It is well worth it. Get it at the beginning of your homeschooling journey if you're new. That way you can have it forever. So my kids loved going through and finding the poems on their birthdays, and so we just read one every single day, and we just really love it. So tons of different authors. The poems are all written by somebody different, and it's just a really, really beautiful book. So that is going to be it for my fall favorites, guys. I had some really, really good things to share with you that I think you all will love. Let me know if you guys have any suggestions for ballet flats. Come on, I can never find a pair. I've tried so many different ones. Let me know what your favorite thing was that I mentioned. Just chat with me down in the comments. I love to reply with you guys, and I will link everything for you down in the description box if you want to check any of it out. Let me know if you watched Mulan and what you thought, and that's gonna be it. I'll see you guys in my next video really soon. Bye, guys.